Hi everyone, myself Mohammed Rai. So now we are going to do the code for the Practicum 14. So here the code starts with hashtag include stdoh as we can see component. Then we have used three types of libraries here: std library, time.h, and UNI std. So now we're going to use void here as display grid as a unit for character in size. And for I int is equal to I is equal to 0, I is less than size, comma I plus plus. And for int I j is equal to 0, which is dot dot j less than size, comma j plus plus. Then we're going to print f here for the modulus c, comma g of I of j. Then we're going to print f of slash n. Then again we're going to use a void here for the spread infection as just to keep on going. And char g of size of char, then next char t of size. And for I int is equal to 0, I is less than size, comma I plus plus. For I int j is equal to 0, I less than size, comma j plus plus. And t of I of j is equal to g of I of j. Then for the code for the spreading of infection, we have used for I int is equal to 0, I less than size, comma I plus plus. And for I int j is equal to 0, j of less than size, comma j plus plus. And if g of I of j is equal to x, then int of dx of or is equal to minus 1, comma 1, comma 1, 0, 0. The int comma dy of 4 is equal to 0, 0, comma minus 1, comma 1. And for int k is equal to 0, k less than 4, k plus plus. In ni is equal to I plus dx of k, comma nj is equal to j plus dy of k. And if ni is less than or equal to 0, and then ni of size and then nj is less than or equal to 0, and then nj of less than size, and if g of ni of nj is equal to 0, and then rand rand of bracket modulus 2 is equal to 0, d of ni of nj is equal to x. So then we have given four curly brackets here for each of the code to come in order. Then we're going to do for updation of the main grid. For int I is equal to 0, I less than size, my plus plus. For I j is equal to 0, j of size, j plus plus. G of I of j is equal to t of I of j. Then end of main, we use here again for beginning of another code. Then char grid of size. Then s rank of time of null. And for int I is equal to 0, I less than size, comma I plus plus. For int j is equal to 0, j of size, comma j plus plus. Grid of I of j is equal to 0. Then for random initial infections, for int I is equal to 0, I less than 5, comma I plus plus. Then grid of rank of modular size, rand of modular size is equal to x. When use it here, then we have used here printf, printing out the infection spread simulation with a printer statement. So for that, for int I is equal to 1, as well as the steps s plus plus. We are printf again for the step, then display grid of grid. Then we have used the instruction of grid, then sleep of 1. Printf of slash n. Then we use a printf as when it runs, the code runs and completes to show that simulation is completed. Then the code ends with return 0. So now I'm going to show how the code runs. So if I run the code here, it shows like it continuously goes till step goes on keeps on going till 10. And here it shows as simulation complete. So that's all. Thank you.